Where'd you go?
Bring back out.
Hey, you got to talk, right? Step up.
Watch your line, baby. Watch your line. Watch your line. Watch your line.
Hey, you got to box out, right? That will be one here.
Watch your line.
Keep moving, keep talking. Come on, y'all, we good.
1, 2, 3, win.
Win. Hey, watch three, watch three.
Let's go, yay!
Hey, we here with 2-2-1.
2-2-1, 2-2-1. 2-2-1. I know. Let's go!
Move your feet, yay! Come on, she went all the way.
Wow. Yeah. No. Hold it. Good shot, yeah.
Whoever in, sit down. Hey, can y'all please
Tonight
tell
coming
me
in for you,
what
all
play
right?
y'all running, please? But y'all not running nothing. How are y'all losing control of the ball? Y'all are, cause a play is to get you set up. A play does not always work, but it's to get you set up. Y'all so unorganized. Y'all have to pull it together. Come on, ain't no way it should be 12-8. It's the same team. Let's go.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. What's up? Yay. Good work out there. Go, keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. Yes. Good work tonight. Get in the play, get in the play. Huh?
Keep forgetting about it.
Yeah.
I got him in a minute. Bravo!
Woo.
Bravo!
Ball don't lie. Ball don't lie. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run the play. Run the play. Run the play. Let's go. Let's go. It took them like the whole quarter, but they woke up. We up now. Right. That's the energy we want. Tonight. them off their square. There you go. Yeah, right. Come on. Okay, come on. Ah. Let's go, Kelly. Let's go. Run the play.
Run it. Slow him down. There you go.
Ooh, right there. Come on. Ooh, yep. Cut it off. There you go. Keep going. Ooh, come on. Let's go. Keep shooting.
Hey, keep shooting. Full time out. Hey, get some water. It's full. Hey, y'all. Sometimes depending on where we are on the floor and how quickly they take it out, we may not be able to get to our normal spots in 2-1-2. We just got to get somewhere and talk and make adjustments for that possession versus running and then giving them something easy wide open. You know what I mean? The way he's slamming, he's trying not because he knows he don't have good ball handling. So they're kicking the ball as fast as y'all can get there. So when we score, there's no time to celebrate. It's a big celebration.
Yeah.
Win on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Win.
Salah.
Oh, that's a turnover. Come on, y'all. Oh, that's a turnover. There you go. Keep applying pressure to him. Let's go. Run it. Let's go. Stay ready. Tanaya.
There you go. Get a ball.
Keep moving.
Throw it.
Ooh. Don't shoot that. Oh, that's a rebound. Oh. Stay ready. Let's go. Okay. Go! Hey, run the play. There it is. Run it. Oh yeah, come on. Woo! Cut her off.
Kenzie. Okay.
That works.
Hey, don't get caught watching, Kenzie.
Look up. Ooh. Go hot now. Oh my Lord. Oh, go, yo.
Table bag.
Yeah. Oh. Good D. Get back.
Travel.
Oh.
Keep doing that. Ain't no way.
That's a travel. Get ready tonight. Get ready. Yeah, move.
Hey.
Run through. Woo! Oh.
That's a pass.
Oh, Lord.
Actually work.
Yeah.
Can we just hold up a little bit more often?
Do y'all want to get a break and bring it to me?
That's what we about to do.
Yeah. Swap it out. Give Thier a break.
Somebody is fatigued.
She earned it.
Yeah, that's good. Hey, let's go. Finish strong.
1, 2, 3.
Finish strong. Right. Trying to fight through it. Yeah. Damn. Let's go. You got runners.
Hey, it's not all bad. It looks good. Carissa, on that, you're not gonna be able to get your shot off. You're not gonna be able to get in there. So what you gotta do is, when you're driving, make it seem like you're about to go up, and then it's a kick in the corner. They're not gonna give it to you. They got two on you. Yeah, they're not gonna give it to you. Mackenzie, when that number one fly past Ye, you were half second late on your step up. That's how she's getting behind you.
The one that just scored?
That's it.
Yeah. Acrylic from?
That's it. No, she
She don't need to pull up, kids.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, do you think I should be back or no?
For what?
Like, you said on that screen, she got the ball.
Yeah, because what y'all doing is y'all get in the mode of, instead of stepping to them, y'all get in the mode of letting them back y'all down without y'all knowing that y'all letting them back y'all down. That makes sense. That's why when I say volleyball line, y'all can get a steal up there. We don't need them to get that low, because they do have a big man. We don't need them to get that low. That's why I say volleyball line. You get out there because they can't dribble. It's not gonna never get that low if y'all come up on the volleyball line. Never, because they cannot dribble. They're gonna have to either throw a pass over your head or they're gonna get a turnover. But y'all gotta recognize that when y'all out there playing. And y'all moving too fast. They already unorganized. They're making y'all unorganized. And I can see it. I just see y'all look lost sometimes. Like that's why I said get in something. And then you're gonna get a wide open, a shot, a layup. You're gonna get something. Because I'm telling you, they're not there. Yeah, they're not on y'all level, and y'all already know that. So come on, we gotta play.
Too, like y'all attacking, y'all. We still gotta act like we're doing a handoff. Y'all steady like pushing away. Yeah, I don't want to bounce back. Come act like we gonna try to always do handoffs.
Yes, you see how?
Because it's getting too close where they know when we're on passing now.
Yeah, you see how I did the handoff with her and how she got that wide open shot off? Because I'm backing, when
Yeah,
I'm
and
pinning
she-
it off, I'm backing them both down so she can get off that shot. So you just gotta read.
And Tanaya,
Yeah, boom it, bro.
if they do a play like that and he got the ball and you're on the post, don't ever in your life go like this. That is a drop step to the basket. You get on her however you want to guard her. Do not ever go like this. That's just a face up.
Move her ass.
She be trying to move and I want her.
I don't care what she's
Legally though.
This is harder than a move.
Legally, yeah.
Get her out of there. First off, don't even let her do that close up move on you. You get her out of there.
Nah, she gave her too much room. She was able to get busy.
Because when you did that one move, you was nowhere near that basket. I don't know if you do that. You was like, I don't even know how to explain it.
I know what you're talking about. It's okay.
We gonna work on it.
Yeah, I remember.
But you doing really
Yeah, you're doing really, you're doing exceptional, I promise you.
Good work. Do y'all remember motion? Yeah. Can we switch it up?
Yeah.
Motion. Let's do motion.
So what I want to see on motion, whoever's bringing the ball down, call it soon you get the ball. Because I want to see those two people that's on the wings to screen down. But I really want either Ye, I kind of want, Ye or Callie coming off that screen for a three.
Yeah. Jess is like right up on me. So whoever sets in the screen, if you turn back towards the ball, most likely you'll be cool. That makes sense? Yeah. It's like once you set the down
You said
screen,
Kelly, can you say that? I'm sorry.
once the down screen comes and I come off, she's looking to come with me.
Yeah.
So the person's gonna be on the inside. Whoever sets the screen, if they storm towards the ball, they're gonna be wide open, like a step above the block.
Okay.
And you can just turn and go right up.
But yeah, let's run something else because that weave, it worked.
Okay, with
While
the
Tay was
silver
in-
weave.
Yeah,
it's
it
like
worked.
a little bit.
It worked. But overall, we're doing pretty good. We woke up, so that's all I'm happy about. I ain't never got nervous, but now I'm shaking. Y'all had me scared for a second.
Definitely nervous.
Remember at times for y'all to slow down, because at times y'all wait on speed y'all up. So,
All right, but we good. Get on back out there.
hey, finish out on three. One.
Wait.
Oh, my bad. I didn't see you. Finish out on three. 1, 2, 3.
Finish out.
We needed her back in.
Oh, when you go back in.
Tanaya. Because they brung all three. They brung the light skins and her back in. We'll see. Hey, Jamaica, just turn around.
Y'all gotta talk. Y'all gotta talk.
Jamaica.
Yeah. I know. It's the game experiment with the lineup.
Hey, motion.
Run the motion. Run motion. Oh yeah, get her. Yeah, travel.
Yeah, you see the ball. Jesse by yourself. Quickly see the ball.
Right.
Jesse by yourself. Way to go.
Really?
Everybody get frustrated. Everybody got to play. God damn.
Get your ass back. That's it.
Did good, yo.
There's no need to get down on yourself if y'all make a turnover. It's fine. Get back, though. Y'all have to get back. There's no way they're going all the way down and making a layup. There's no way. Come on, y'all, for real. Come on. Y'all playing down there. Come on.
Win. There you go. Stay close. Stay close.
Go down!
There we go. There we go. That's what we need tonight. Let's go. Let's go. Defense. Defense.
Hey, no!
Defense. Run the play. They keep backing them down. They scared to get hurt or something, yo.
I don't think they know what I mean.
No, they know. They scary. They scared they're gonna get hurt. Like, take the charge. Right up.
Get there.
She wasn't ready.
Get there.
She wasn't ready.
Still doing it. They still doing it. Give her one. Come on,
What in the world? Really?
Intercept.
That's all right. Let's go, T.
Yay. For once, I want you to take a charge. Stop letting her back him down. That's all she's doing. All she's doing is she's walking with him, basically. Take the charge, please. They get it when I say volleyball. You gotta get up. I don't want it.
No, you gotta be blunt. You don't take a
gotta
charge.
get
Take a
the fuck
charge.
up.
Take a charge. Make the. Wow.
We've been up since 10, so it's low. And also too, when they speed y'all up, that's when y'all do turnovers and stuff. You know, just but when y'all slow down, y'all execute, y'all take y'all time, y'all look, it's better passes. And then when y'all move the floor, that's where the energy starts. When y'all keep moving, also too, if whoever's the point, if y'all see them struggling, shit, anybody come up and help get the ball. Anybody.
We don't know how to run motion.
I mean, I do, but I just feel like everybody. Oh, this is my
We have no motion. Well, when we get the ball, we just can't stand here and hold it. They're gonna get in us. Yeah, everybody wide. Everybody wide.
It's still like we though, y'all. That's still driving kick.
You don't got it.
1 on 3. 1, 2, 3,
Win.
We have not scored.
We have not.
Get on the
That's a
ground.
turnover. Oh my God.
We haven't scored. That's what defense supposed to do.
They getting in your head. You playing their game now. Don't back down. as y'all playing
Get
that
up,
game.
get up!
Hey, we see that same play again. You already know call him. You already know call him. Oh yeah.
There we go. That wait, Jade.
Hold on now. Hold on. We got it. We got it.
Get up! Get up!
Press it. Press it. Why is he open? Oh my lord. But you see, yeah, that's exactly what you're doing. That's what I'm saying.
There you
She
go.
gonna press.
Who's up?
Press! Press!
Get up!
Oh, why are we not pressing at the perimeter? Let's go! Pressure! Pressure! Pressure!
Don't take it personal. Hear me. Can y'all please just slow down and play y'all game? Please, I have one timeout.
We can hold it the whole time.
We need the rebounds.
Defensively,
Bad. We need
we're
rebounds.
waiting for the ball
Bad.
to come to us. We need to go get it.
Yes.
Go get it.
And there's too much dribbling up here. There's too much dribbling. All of y'all, it's too much dribbling.
If you
Now
don't
y'all cutting, moving.
Right. If you don't get on the wing, cut through so somebody else will come up. All right?
It's unnecessary turnovers.
Hey, 1 on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Win! Realize that a team that's worse than you is about to beat you.
Yeah.
That's a wake you up.
Come on now.
They're not better than y'all.
Throwing the ball up.
Oh my God. Get the.
So
Wow.
this is just going to the rim and she's just throwing the ball up.
We really don't need overtime with this team. We really don't need overtime. They better not.
Rebound! That's you, Kitty! No steal.
It's some bullshit. Why?
Here, there, somebody on top. Whoever is you. All kids, you're gonna be on the block. Come up, you just bring. You roll hard to the back. You rock to the back. Look for this person in the corner, or you walk from there.
You on my left side.
You see what I'm saying?
You're on my left
Let 'em
side.
know.
Okay?
You go on the block. You're gonna come up, you're gonna set a screen. A hard screen, you're gonna roll to the back. You gotta whoever's opposite corner, only stand after I come up. So you're mean, come up, and they won't take the ball. You know what I mean? If they stay, then you'll be over. All right? Come on.
Let's go. 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Win!
You can do your hands. You're good. I promise you, you're good. Good.
Yeah, we just got to get it in.
Yeah, we just gotta get it inbound. Just slow down. We got time. Just
We're going to get this stop.
We gotta get this stop right here. Yes. We gotta get this stop right here. Come on.
Come on. Y'all quit playing.
Come on. Let's go.
1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Win!
Overhead.
Lock it down. Lock it down.
We up. We up. Hey, get ready to help. Tanaya, get her out of there. Tanaya, get her out of there. Nothing easy down there.
Nothing easy. Make them work. Get through it. Get through it. Get through it.
Hey,
Hold up.
where we at? Hey, come on.
Toss out here with DT Sports. I am here with Ryan Langston as well as Thier. Of course, we had a great close game. We came up short. What can we do differently for Western Michigan?
Play together. Was a little discombobulated a little bit with each other, getting frustrated, but ultimately we got to stay together. Know this is a team sport, and just play together.
All right. Of course, I know rebounding is something we talk about every week. Now, is there anything you can do outside of your rebounding career and on the defense as far as the back down? I feel like a lot of the time, defense, offense, they would walk you guys down defense when they would really stop the ball at the perimeter. So what can you do tomorrow different on the defense as far as
play better on defense, communicate with our teammates so that they know what's behind them other than
communication on defense. Western Michigan Sunday, ladies. Thanks once again. Appreciate you. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning.
See ya.